Did you know you can create computer vision projects just like this with artificial intelligence? In this video, I am going to show you how to connect OpenAI's Codex with RoboFlow. RoboFlow is one of the leading platforms for visual intelligence. They already have pre-made data sets, trained models for you to get going in a couple of minutes. And I'm going to show you how to connect OpenAI's Codex with RoboFlow. When you create an account, it will provide you with a free premium trial, which expands the capabilities of what you can do. You will see this homepage where you can type in what you want to build and deploy, and RoboFlow will do that for you. Or you can connect your coding agent, and that's what we're going to do. So if we select connect your coding agent, we can see we can connect Claude Desktop, but we want to select Codex, and you will get in some instructions here. So we have add to the marketplace, and it has a command for us to add to the marketplace, and then it asks us to reset Codex and open the plugin browser. One of the first things we want to do is add this to the marketplace. I'm going to hit copy on this page and then head over to Codex. I'm using a Windows system, so I have PowerShell open, and I'm going to paste my command in the terminal. You can see that it's added Marketplace RoboFlow from the repository. I'm able to do this because I already have the Codex CLI installed. Now, when we open the Codex desktop app and we go to plugins, we should be able to go to personal and see our plugin right here. It says RoboFlow. It looks like this, has this logo. This is what it should look like right here. We want to go ahead and install that. Now you can see it wants to authenticate RoboFlow. I'm already logged in RoboFlow, so that should be fine. You can review the permissions and where it has access to. And you want to go ahead and click allow. Now it's complete. We can go back and we can see now we can try and chat.
That's a quick overview on how you integrate RoboFlow with Codex to get started on your computer vision projects. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to support the channel and receive more videos on how to build software without coding.